Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm doing a swipe. I'm going to be using this colour palette here and I'm going to pour some puddles. These are actually leftover paints, so I've got some other couple of paints here just in case I need extra because I'm not sure if I've got quite enough. I could make up some more of the Prussian Phthalo blue and the gold, but we'll see how we go. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with my cream. It's been a while since I've done puddles. So this should be interesting. I think I'm going to swipe that way. Tricky. I love this colour. It's got a bit of, it's silver, but it's got a bit of Deco Arts pewter in it. I'm not sure what else it's got in it, but that's because it's left over. This one is definitely Prussian Phthalo blue. I just love that colour. So let's get some of that in. Need something to meet up here. I've got this silver. Maybe let's take a strip of silver through there. It's almost meeting up. Just going to extend these a bit now. And I've got quite a bit of gold, so let's bring that gold out. So it doesn't have to be perfect puddles. So now I actually think I want to extend further because that's not going to be enough paint to cover my sides. I've got this iridescent white, which I might put a bit in here. Alright, I'm going to swipe this now. I'm going to use my titanium white by Amsterdam. I'm just trying to decide. Probably going to swipe like that. Let me think. If I'm going to take that bit through, which other bit do I want? That, maybe something through there. All right, let's do 3. Okay, here we go. Now, I didn't want to break up my puddles this time, but I might do it after I've done my swipes. All right. I feel like I'm going to drag my fingers through it, so this is not a good idea. Let's go this way. Now, I've got to do something here. Tricky. I don't know if I can do that. I want to take that blue up through there as well, so I think I'm going to do that now. Because that looks pretty. And we've got a bit here as well. I'm going to take it dark, but my question I think is this is too small and this is too big. What am I going to do? I'm not sure. Alright, I'm going to use this one. I'm not going to go all the way down. Maybe I will. Alright. Interesting. This is interesting in here. But I want this gold coming this way, I think. Let's finger swipe this. That's pretty, but we're going to lose it. I'm going to need more of this colour, I think. I feel like I'm going to lose a lot of this colour, which is a real shame. That's why I'm trying to get some back in. Okie dokie. Just gonna wet down my corners. Okay, it's time to tilt. I've got some stuff popping up through there. I'm going to take it off this way first. That's good because I want to keep that colour. Okay. I'm just bringing that blue back through. Oh. Just trying to decide if I want to take a bit more of that cream off. I think I do. This, how it's popping through up the top there is quite interesting. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. I'll pop the bubbles and then I'll bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. I have tipped it a little bit more. I was trying to fix up this corner here because I'd poured a bit on there and you could see it on the corner, and I knew that I would be disappointed with it later, so I had to get rid of it. And I've just tipped it this way, and my edges, I hope that flows over properly. Yeah, but the lacing, very pretty. And I always love the Prussian Phthalo blue, especially when it blends like this and you get that sort of colour. Goes very well with the bronzy burnt sienna colour. And then we've got some silver going through here, bit of gold on the corner. Yeah, pretty cool. I will bring you back for the dry result. And here is the dry result. I like this lacing here. And we've got a bit of shine. I don't know if I can show you. Yeah, kind of. Let's hope I can hang it back up now with one hand. Oh. It's the blue sort of come in the edge there that's been sort of sitting underneath. That gives it a bit of shading. I like this bit through here as well. So yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.